Long ago, a man had two wives. His first wife became very sick. She called her two sons and said, "My dear boys, I will die soon. When I am gone, your stepmother will not feed you. Go to the forest. A kind cow will help you." The boys cried when their mother died. They asked their stepmother for food, but she shouted, "Go away. I have no food for you." The brothers went to the forest. There, they found a friendly cow. Every day, the cow gave them milk and fruit. They were never hungry. The stepmother's children asked, "Why are you never hungry?" The brothers lied, "We just walk in the forest." But one day, their stepsister followed them. She saw the cow and told her mother. The stepmother said to her husband, "I want that cow. Kill it so I can eat meat." The man tried to kill the cow, but it would not die. The stepmother threatened, "If the cow lives, I will kill your sons." The boys cried, "Let the cow die. We don't want trouble." The cow died, and the stepmother cooked it. But strange things happened. The meat would not cook until the boys said, "Cook meat." The pot would not move until they said, "Move pot." The brothers were scared. "Our stepmother will hurt us now." They ran into the forest but got separated. Years later, the older brother lived near a village. He fell in love with the chief's daughter, but he had scars on his face and hid at night. During a war, he bravely fought for the village. The chief asked, "Who is this brave man?" The daughter said, "Father, he is my love." The chief was angry until his head grew bigger. The daughter said, "Let me marry him, and your head will heal." The chief agreed. The brothers' scars disappeared, and they married happily. One day, the younger brother returned. The family reunited, and the cow's spirit became a tree with magic fruit. Everyone lived in peace.